One thing that people don't realize is that that person's life has changed forever. And I think sometimes people expect you to roll back in, to go right back in line and pick up on life where it ended. And you try to do that. You know, you go to the parties and you laugh, and on the inside, you're still dying. They don't realize that you have changed forever, and they don't recognize you anymore, and you don't recognize yourself. And that's that in-between part, right? So I think it's difficult for other people to realize that there is no back. You wouldn't want to go back to that, you know, to that moment that you lost someone, or through the worst part of the divorce. You just want to step into the next chapter.